Hello, what's up, Daysfriends? Daisy here, and welcome back to my channel. So today, guys, as you can see in my front, I have here a huge box from Mandaue. So gipadala nila sa ato, guys. This is the Experience Mandaue in a box. So basically, mga products ni siya which is locally made from Mandaue. So yeah, today we're gonna be unboxing this one, and I'm going to show you guys unsay sulod ani. So if you're interested, guys, just keep on watching. Alright, Daysfriends, so mo na siya. I'm so excited to open this one. So mo na siya dahil, guys, ang box, I think it weighs mga 5, more or less 5 kilos siguro. Bugat siya. So, tanaw na to, guys, unsay sulod ani. So, dire, guys, sa box kay na siya nakasuwat dire na Experience Mandaue. And then dire na ay nakatatak na lungsod ng Mandaue, lalawigan ng Cebu. So, from Mandaue gini siya. So, i-open na nato. Are you ready? Sige, 1, 2, 3, So, muna siya, guys. Ala, oy, kanay sila ribbon. Napa dyan sila pa ribbon, oh. Anyway, so muna siya. So, oh, so muna siya, guys. Wait lang. Naidari suwat di ay. From Mayor Jonas Cortez. Dear Daisy Atim, this Experience Mandaue in a box contains bits and pieces of Mandaue City's life and culture, an attempt to capture the diversity and ingenuity of the Mandaue Hanons. Enjoy these premium quality products and bring home the warmth and the camaraderie of Mandaue Hanons that is sealed with each item in this box. May your Mandaue in a box experience encourage you to crave for more of our city, people, and products. I am Mandaue. We are Mandaue. Choose Mandaue. Thank you so much, Mayor Jonas Cortez. And then nasa dire flyers, guys. From Mandaue ni siya. So nakasuwat dire ang map of Mandaue, mga mission and vision. So later na lang ni siya nato basakon. But anyways, pinaka-kuan sa tong video. So tarat! Okay, so muna siya ang sulod. So sagsatagsaon na to. So here, nagpadala sila og t-shirt. T-shirt na may tatak na Experience Mandaue. Hashtag may tatak Mandaue Experience. Sa likod kay Choose Mandaue. So that's one. And then next kay kanila lang. This is from Didang's Delicious Masareal. Dolce di Mandaue. Oh, karon na ko ani, guys. Kay wala pa jud ko ka-try ani. Wala pa ko ka-try ani actually. So, i-try ni siya nato, guys. Tilawan nato later. Anyway, so mo ni siya. And then we also have here Tagaktak. This is still from Didang's. Thank you so much, Didang. So, mura siya bihon na gi-fry. So, this is from Mandaue. So, thank you so much, Didang. And then, next is, we have here Tablea di Mandaue from Mandaue's Nutricious. Actually, nakatilaw na ko ani before kay, ipadalan sad ko ni Sir John Carbonilla. So, shout out to Sir John. And then, we also have here Polvoron na cookies and cream. So, na siya 16 pieces. Asa din ni siya manufactured eh. Asa din na. San Antonio, Luok, Mandaue City. Amazing! Manufactured by Feb 20 Enterprises. So, Mandaue's Nutritious. So, manilang mga products, guys. And they also have here their Champorado na chocolate porridge from Mandaue's Nutritious. Gapon ni siya, guys. Yeah, and I think this is available sa mga kanang convenience store. So, tanawan lang niya siya ninyo, guys. And the next, guys, is this Supercrunch from Prifoods. Yeah, Prifoods. Asa din niya siya gikuan ay manufacturer. Prifoods Corporation, Don S. Wico Street, Kanduman, Mandaue City. Amazing! Sa Mandaue din niya siyang Supercrunch. Karoon ko. And they also have cheese rings of sweet cheddar cheese flavor. wala ko try ani kay pero pagagamay na ko guys, ganahan jud kay ko aning Supercrunch, especially this sweet corn na flavor, and then kadto pa to siya gagmay kayo na sudlanan niya. Dili pa inani kadagko, and then kutsaraon pag na ko ibutang sa ko sa plato. Tapos ako ang kutsaraon. So lami kay ni siya, ganan siya kay ko ani perfect snack ni siya for mga makahinumdum naman sa ato mga pagkabata no. So mo ni siya. Prifoods Corporation, and then next we have here 2 box of Fudge Brownies from Chef's Table. Yay! Thank you so much. So we'll try this one. Okay guys, sira na naman ang diet natin ito. Charot. Nag-diet na ba yung tako niya? Tagaroon, dagan naman kayo kong mga snacks. Oh my gosh! And then we have here Baker's Meal Sesame Squid. Sesame Squid, ready to eat, mouth-watering flavor. Oh! Nice! So this is manufactured by Far East G&M Foods Corporation, Highway Magikay, Mandaue City, Cebu. So yes, mo na siya guys. And then we also have here Philippine brand assorted dried fruit balls. Ooh, saan naman siya? Coconut balls, guava, mango, lalahi, banana. And then this is manufactured by Profood International Corporation, and then in Highway Magikay, Mandaue. Amazing, dagana dag mga products sa Mandaue no, nakakanangkuan. And then also we have here mga dried mangoes from 70. So na sila dried mangoes plus dark chocolate enrobed and dried mango-rind. Mango and tamarind siguro na siya na combined from 70. So this is manufactured by PFD Food International Incorporation in Sacris, Bacolod, Mandaue City. Oh, my birthplace. Amazing! Thank you so much, 70. And then napa jud ay dried mangoes. So duha day ka dried mangoes. Unsay lahi ani? So same man ni siya. And then this one is mango-rind, duha sad siya. This is from 70. Thank you so much. Daghan na akong snacks. Uy! Wow! Then we also have here from Profood dried mango sadni. So this one guys from Philippine brand dried green mangoes. So daghan kay mga dried mangoes na ay from Philippine brand, from Profood Cebu and 7D. Daghan na day mga kuano mo na day na kanang mga mga sa Cebu kay ang ilha day madalian na papasalubong kay mga dried mangoes, mga inanas. Then we also have here mango puree from 70 mangoes gihapon. Yay! Thank you so much! Daghan na day mga products sa 7D no? And then we have here, last but not least, Drunk Barista Coffee Plus Vodka Coffee. Made from homegrown coffee, cold brewed in small batches. Dili man ko moinom, so ako na lang nihatag sa akong papa. Kay grabe to siya guys. So mo niya siya ako nihatag, oh pa, nana kay wine, ayaya. Kay mao na to siya ang sulod sa Experience Mandaue na box. So daghan-daghan sa siya, uy. Pero dili siya kumagot man. Mga snacks, mga 70 mangoes, mga kuan, daghan kayo siya. These are just some of the products of Mandaue guys. Napa siya daghan. But ang mo lang na ilang i-send sa tuwa karon. Maka-proud din kayo ang mga Mandaue no. Taga Mandaue ra ba ko kay basically taga Mandaue ko kay dito ba akong birthday sa Bacolod ba ako gipanganak. Wow, amazing mga anak. So mo na to siya guys. I hope na nag-enjoy mo sa akong unboxing. Daghan kay kog mga nang lupad na siya. So daghan kay kog mga snacks. So guys, arian lang ko ninyo kung ganahan mo mga charot lang. So again, thank you so much Mandaue for my experience. Mandaue in a box. As in, grabe, daghan jud kay kog mga snacks ani. Dili na ko magutman. Daghan ako. Goodbye, diet na sa taan eh. Pero I'm so thankful jud kay Blessings! Thank you so much. And some of this, guys, kaya ako nasa di siya i-share. Again, thank you so much. And if you guys want to experience Mandaue, so buy local, choose Mandaue products, support local products from Mandaue. And yes, mura to siya. I will end my vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please give a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you're already subscribed, please hit the notification bell below so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And also, please make sure to follow my other social media accounts. I have Instagram and Facebook. My Instagram is at @IamDaisy and my Facebook page is Daisy. And also, my TikTok, akong TikTok ay 20,000 followers na! Yay! Thank you so much for watching, these friends! Bye! Always remember to choose Mandaue, tatak Mandaue, experience Mandaue. Thank you so much. Bye.